Now from a slightly different angle, you're going to see me taping with this lovely 3M edge lock tape. All the way around. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to use this Envirotex Lite Pour On High Gloss Finish. It says it's a polymer compound. I have some sticks in a bucket and I have a separate second container. And there's not really any measuring required because I will need at a minimum the entire amount of both containers. So I'm just going to squeeze all that in here. This is the hardener here. Maybe you can see that or not. Alright. And then I am just gonna get that in there also. And then after I get that in there, I'm just gonna kind of hold it and I'm gonna start mixing it. So what I'm going to do is I've got a timer over here. I've set for 2 minutes. And so I'm just going to mix while I let the remainder here. And it says you should scrape the sides and scrape the bottom. And basically you're just going to give it a good stir for literally 2 minutes. Alright, so now I am supposed to transfer this to another container. So what I have here is another container. So what I'm doing now, due to my choice of containers, is put a glove on and I'm stirring for the second stage of the stir for 1 minute. So I've already been stirring it for a moment prior to pouring. All right. Alright, so this is my second go round, and what I'm going to do again is basically tape it. So now let me show you the product I'm using. And it's called, let's see if I can get it on there, Envirotex Pour On. It's a high gloss finish. It's 2-part. And how this works is it has to have 2 containers. So we'll just move this out of screen. And because of the fact that I'm only making half a batch this time, and there are 16 fluid ounces here, I'd prefer so now I have my mixture. This is my second container if you were wondering. What is that? Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to mix this for 2 minutes. Scraping the sides, scraping the bottom. Really getting that in there. This, my friends, is the other container. Like I said, don't judge me. I stuck it down on something so that it would not ruin anything important. Here, I am going to take and pour this in like it says, and then I'm going to want to scrape that off into it, so bearing with me for just a second. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Alright, and now I am going to pour this. Alright, so I'm not trying to burn anything, but I am trying to get all of these little bubbles out and about.
Yeah, but just being able to get most of this lip off of here is a big plus while it's still kind of soft.